Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your language tutoring with italki detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an italki account. Choose whether you want to be a language tutor or a student. If you're a tutor, complete your profile with a professional photo and a detailed bio. Highlight your teaching experience and language skills in your bio. Set competitive yet fair pricing for your tutoring sessions. Decide on your tutoring specialties and focus areas. Upload a video introduction to showcase your teaching style and personality. Set your availability by marking your calendar on the italki platform. Utilize the lesson scheduling feature to allow students to book sessions easily. Consider offering trial lessons to attract new students. Promote your italki profile on social media and language learning forums. Engage with potential students through the italki community features. Collect feedback and reviews from your students after each session. Analyze the feedback to improve your teaching methods continually. Stay updated with language trends and learning resources to enhance your offerings. Participate in conversation events and language exchanges to build your network. Utilize italki's resources and articles to gain insights into effective tutoring strategies. Create a consistent schedule to maintain your availability and student engagement. Monitor your progress and adapt your strategies as needed. Regularly refine your teaching materials to keep them relevant and engaging. Incorporate student interests and goals into your lesson plans for personalized learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.